What's up, techies? Fluffy from techbeatph.com here. Sometimes a brand just goes, you know what? I'm tired of playing safe. And then they come out with something so wild, so completely unexpected, you just have to sit up and pay attention. Well, that's exactly what Realme has done with their new Realme 15 series. And today, we have the Realme 15 5G, the one everyone is talking about because of one number, 7000. That's right, a 7000 milliamp hour battery. Is this a phone or a pocket-sized power bank? I guess we're about to find out. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. This is the box. Simple, clean, exactly what you'd expect from Realme. Let's get this out of the way. Ooh, nice! The first thing you're greeted with is the phone itself. We'll set that aside for a second. Now, what else is in here? Standard paperwork, a SIM ejector tool, and a protective case. Yes! Thank you, Realme. No one wants to buy a brand new phone and have it get all scratched up. But wait, there's more. Look at this. The 80-watt fast charger is right here in the box. I gotta say, brands that still do this deserve a round of applause. You get the full package right out of the gate. No need to go hunting for a separate charger. Now for the star of the show. This is the Realme 15 5G in the stunning silk pink color. It's got this textured matte finish that feels amazing in the hand. It's also available in flowing silver and velvet green, which also look incredible. But seriously, hold on to this. For a phone that packs a 7000 mAh battery, it is ridiculously thin. The curves feel great, and the flat sides give you a good grip. Okay, let's power this thing on. And wow, I mean seriously, wow. This is a 6.8-inch flat AMOLED display. That's a huge canvas, perfect for watching movies or doom scrolling on TikTok. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is a buttery smooth 144 Hz. It's incredibly fluid, but those numbers are just the start. Realme is claiming a mind-boggling peak brightness of 6,500 nits. 6,500! That's insane! I have to take this thing out in the sun later and see if it can blind me. We've seen high brightness before, but this is next level. It also has 4,608 Hz PWM dimming, which is a huge plus for anyone who gets eye strain from flicker. It's a detail that shows Realme is thinking about the user experience beyond just the spec sheet. Now, for the real shocker. This phone is built tough. It has Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection on the front, which is already an upgrade. But get this, it has an IP69 rating. You know what an IP69 rating means? It's not just water resistant. It can withstand high pressure, high temperature water jets. This thing is practically wearing a diving suit. I'm not going to be irresponsible and dunk it in hot water right now, but you gotta admit, that's pretty wild for a mid-range phone. We have to come back to the main event, the battery. A 7,000 mAh battery. The brand claims this massive cell can give you up to 22 hours of continuous YouTube playback or a staggering 113 hours of Spotify listening on a single charge. If those numbers are even half true in real life, you're basically never going to worry about battery life again. And with the 80-watt fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just 61 minutes. That's insane. It's a phone designed to be used, to be pushed, and to never give up. And speaking of content, this phone is packed with a bunch of new AI features. There's AI Edit Genie, which lets you edit photos with simple voice commands. Just say, make the sky bluer, and boom, it's done. There's also AI Snap Mode for taking up to 50 high-speed shots, perfect for action scenes. And my personal favorite, AI Party Mode, which helps you take those popular flashlit night shots you see all over social media. It's not just a gimmick, it actually works and enhances your night photography. So, a beautiful screen and tough build, but what's under the hood? The Realme 15 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Plus SoC. Now, this isn't a flagship processor, but it's a very capable mid-range chip. It's built on a 4nm process, which means it's efficient and powerful. Realme says it's more than capable of handling demanding games, and based on what I'm seeing with this UI, I believe it. Everything feels snappy and responsive. So, a beautiful screen and tough build, but what's under the hood? The Realme 15 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Plus SoC. Now, this isn't a flagship processor, but it's a very capable mid-range chip. It's built on a 4 nanometers process, which means it's efficient and powerful. Realme says it's more than capable of handling demanding games, and based on what I'm seeing with this UI, I believe it. Everything feels snappy and responsive. Now, let's talk cameras. The Realme 15 5G has a dual camera setup on the back, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 main sensor, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It's a bit of a mixed bag here. The main sensor is great, and the Sony IMX882 is a well-known, reliable performer. But the 8-megapixel ultra-wide might be a bit of a letdown if you're coming from a phone with a higher res ultra-wide. Still, having an ultra-wide is a must, and it's there. So, my first impression? The Realme 15 5G isn't just a phone, it's a marathon runner in a sprinter's body. It has the biggest battery in its class, a crazy bright display, and a tough build, all wrapped in a sleek, elegant design. It's got a few small compromises, but honestly, the package as a whole is incredibly compelling. For day-to-day use, scrolling through social media, multitasking between apps, and just general usage, it feels incredibly fluid. We'll run some proper benchmarks and test it with some heavy games in our full review, but for a first impression, the performance is exactly where it needs to be. It's the kind of phone you can rely on to just work without any hiccup.